Welcome again. So this is our second video for ASP.NET full stack development. In this video, we'll cover install required packages. So as it is code first project and for ORM, we'll use Entity Framework Core. So we have a project and how we can install the required packages. So .NET in the .NET platform, you have to use NuGet packages. So let me just go to the website and give you the simple overview. If you are already if you are not here about or not familiar with the NuGet packages, NuGet.org. You can go to the NuGet.org and see the details packages. So millions of packages have been downloaded across the world, and most popular packages you can get statistics and Newtons of JSON, the most popular download package in the .NET community. So let me just search like logger. Sorry. Then a logger related like Microsoft extension logging. We can use this, and if we go to the version, then we can check the download version. So this is the Microsoft package library. You have to download the required packages from this website. And from the Visual Studio, let me just give you overview how you can install required packages. So just for giving note, we are going to install Entity Framework Core, three different libraries like Entity Framework Core, Entity Framework SQL Server, and third one is Entity Framework Core.tool. So you can install required live packages two way. Just one way is go to Tool and NuGet Package Manager PMC. Go to the PMC. So this is one way, and second way you can use install from terminal. Just open in terminal. And if we go again the NuGet Package Manager, so just search Entity Framework for NuGet. So both command option there. Let me just show you. So .NET CLI, .NET, and this is the terminal command, and this is the PMC command, NuGet package. So I'm going to install using terminal. So you can install using package manager as well. So let me just full paste and .NET add package Microsoft Entity Framework Code 7.0. So just give you a project overview. We have used .NET SDK 7.0 now level. Let me just remove this. And currently we don't have any installed packages. So let me just install one by one. So I'm going to install .NET Entity Framework Core first. So first package installed successfully. You can check your package. Just double click your project and see we have installed one package. And now I'm going to install .NET Entity Framework Core.SQL Server. And if we go to just click on it, enter. Entity Framework SQL Server 7.0.10. Yes, just CLI copy. Let me just clear my terminal. Enter. So second package install is going on. So this is our second video of ASP.NET full stack development. We'll cover complete CRUD operation with the database connectivity. So second package installed successfully. So we have two packages, and I'm going to install third package, Entity Framework Core.tool. So if we go back to again NuGet package library and search NuGet tool, then in the top we already have Entity Framework Core.tool, and version we definitely will use 7.0.10. So just let me pick that version 7.0.10. Copy. So third package installed successfully. Let me just close my terminal and give you the summary in the second video. So in the second video, as we are going to use Entity Framework over code first, we just make sure the required packages and just give you the NuGet package library simple overview. And from the NuGet package library, you can install your required package library based on your project needs. So if you just check what package library has been installed in this project, just double click, or in the dependency in the packages also you can check. So we already installed three different packages: Entity Framework Core, Entity Framework Core.SQL Server, and Tool. So you can install a two-way, just a tools and get package manager PMC, and the from terminal, just in the project right click, open in terminal. So, so summary is you can install your required packages from the Visual Studio 2A using terminal and using PMC, and two command is different. So I will share the command like terminal and from NuGet package manager console as well. So thank you again. I'm just closing the second video. In the third video, we'll create model and database connection, and so that we can move forward. Thank you. See you in the next video.